could use clear or this.
Shaving cream.
Does not matter what brand.
To make fluffy.
You'll need some contact lens solution so then it's not sticky. And then some baking soda. It does not matter any brand, but the only brand that matters is this brand. Food coloring went rolled down here. Food coloring is optional. Even if clear or white glue, it would still be white. But if you want to add food coloring, you can. We'll use pink.
Pink.
All right, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is pour your Elmer's glue into a large mixing bowl. The more slime you want, the more glue. So I'm just pouring all this glue in
That's
here.
gonna be lots of slime.
Yeah.
And lots.
Making sure I get all of it out. Because the more, the better.
Yep.
I don't want to shake it around because then I'm going to get it on everyone. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do
Look how much.
She said before this video that she wanted 2 drops of coloring. So only a 2. 1, 2. All right, now take a little mixing fork and now she will mix it. Mix it. Go ahead.
Whoa.
That is pretty.
Yeah.
And throughout this video or the process, we can add more coloring. All right, think that's enough mixing? Let me just see.
Uh-oh, you're going to need to throw that away.
I'll just give it a little more mixing. Okay, next thing we're going to do is I'm going to take this.
Ooh, I love that
and I'm gonna
part.
fill it with some shaving cream.
Oh, looks like whipped cream.
Yeah, you always do that. I'm the pourer.
Oh.
I'll put all the shaving cream
Can I
in.
mix?
Wait, I didn't put all of it in yet. You gotta wait.
Right now, it looks like the Nickelodeon slime, but pink, right?
Yeah. We're gonna add 3 of these.
3?
That's 2.
That's a lot. Ooh, pretty. I want to eat
3.
that. Feels really
This
good.
makes it fluffy.
Fluffy.
All right, now, since the food, well, it's gonna take up a lot of food coloring, so I'm just gonna add one more squirt. Start mixing.
Whoa!
Tell me when you need some help mixing that, because I know you're gonna need it.
Oh my god.
Tell me when you like the color. Do you like the color? You want it darker?
It's so cool though.
Do you want it darker?
Yeah.
Okay, watch out.
That's gonna be really cool.
You wanted a nice dark pink. That's what you're gonna get.
That's so cool. I can't wait to play with you.
Okay, while she is mixing that, we are going to take some
It's gonna work forever.
baking soda.
It's gonna work forever
No
and
more.
ever. It's gonna work.
Yeah, a little more. I'm sorry, this takes forever if you're using like a baby spoon.
I know.
I am very, very
And
sorry.
that was so tiny.
Everyone knows how small baking
Baking
soda
soda
holes are.
Yep.
I know how small the holes are.
This really smells good.
Okay,
You should
then we're
smell
going
it.
to take our contact solution. We're going to fill it until it kind of like dissolves all of it. Like to right
It's
there.
gonna work forever.
I'm going to close this. I'm going to take the bottom of this. Just mix it. Yeah. Okay, you could stop mixing. We're gonna pour this in. All right, now mix.
Me?
Mhm. Okay, as you can see, it is now clumping. Don't drop it.
It was an accident.
See how it's starting to clump? All right, stop.
Okay.
Add some contact solution.
Don't put too much because then it's gonna be
Mix.
too watery.
They said, the more the better.
Ooh, it looks like cake.
Looks like cake. Alright, let me see the spoon. I need to see how sticky this is. It's a little liquidy, so I'm going to add some contact solution.
That's why it's so liquidy.
It's not. If you... Seems liquidy for some reason.
Because
We added more contact solution.
And that's probably why.
This should be working.
It looks like it's working.
Mom, I followed the right directions. This is maybe. Did we put enough baking soda?
Maybe not.
So the key is to add more baking soda.
Is that what the problem is?
Didn't.
If you're making this right now, add baking soda if it's liquidy, so it does not turn out to be like a stupid mess like ours was before. So now it is all clumping together, and I am very happy.
Is your slime a success?
So far, yeah, I guess. So once it gets liquidy again, add more. There's a lot. You need a lot.
Looks like frosting for a cake.
You're frost.
We can prank somebody and just frosting their cake like this.
Oh, but you don't want to get on glue.
Oh.
You would really want to make somebody eat glue?
Well, maybe someone really mean.
Donna?
No, I'm just kidding.
Donna?
Mommy's kidding.
Your butt.
Make her eat glue.
It doesn't look like slime at all.
It looks like a butt.
We followed the recipe. Why isn't it working?
It's not slime, it's frosting.
Let's get a cake.
You guys made frosting.
Let's go get a
We
It
made-
looks delicious. I mean, I would eat that.
Yeah.
Go ahead, taste a bite.
Would you stop, glue? Really?
Looks good.
Shaving cream.
Look how it drizzles.
The poor thing. They've been starving for hours.
You gotta put more baking soda in there and thicken it up.
Can we just plop Daddy in there? He looks like baking soda.
Why? Why? What did I ever do?
Nice.
Look, it's sticking.
So put a ton of it in there. Watch.
What the?
All right, don't ruin their slime.
Okay, that's enough.
Don't ruin their frosting, you mean? It's already ruined. There, see? You gotta keep putting more in, man.
I love how every time.
Yeah, keep dumping it in. Dump it in, man.
Okay, that's it.
No, let her go.
I didn't get to pour anything.
I let you mix it.
Easy. That's
Easy.
good.
I love how it's getting all over the counter.
You're getting all over the counter.
Your butt is.
It's becoming extra
All right, let's
slimy.
have Mom mix this. My arm hurts.
I want to mix it.
Yeah, well, roll up
I'm a
your sleeves,
person.
please, person.
That's her line. I'm a person.
Yeah, take off your jacket, please.
Yeah, put a ton in there. Go ahead.
Put like the whole box.
Load it up.
Not in her face.
Sorry. I'll hold it. Go mix. Mix it.
When Daddy's friends come over, tell them you made your own secret frosting recipe.
Look, it's really starting to gloop up.
Give them spoons. They'll never want to come back.
You're just trying to get rid of my
I'm
friend.
just teasing.
It's really starting to gloop up now. It's starting to look more like slime and less like frosting. You need more. Just keep going with
Just
it.
stop making her breathe that in.
Breathe it in,
Lucky it's not
man.
baby powder. Daddy's butt powder.
Yeah, you're just pouring it in the poor thing's
That is a
face.
baby because he puts on baby powder.
Baby butt powder.
Really?
They roasted you.
All right, let me see.
This is going all over the internet now.
Don't touch it yet.
It still needs more.
You're monkey do.
Let's take a cut, and we're gonna stir this for another hour. Oh, honey. Whoops, whoops.
Does it work?
Yeah. All you have to do is add a ton of baking soda.
Look at her face.
Whole box full. 10 to 30. No, let's see. 150 to 100 cups of baking soda you'll need.
Jelly rainbow.
Like almost the whole box we used, right?
Is it all stuck to your hands now?
No. No.
Well,
Let me
it
see.
is.
Oh.
Can I feel?
No. Get your own.
Get your own. I thought you guys were making this together.
Yeah, you guys have to split it.
No, we don't. I'll make my own.
That.
There's plenty of slime in there for both of
There's
you.
tons of slime. So show them what you can do with it.
A little bit more.
Wait, girls, it's leaking out of the bowl,
Got it.
please.
Here's that.
Here's like a little thing that was on me.
Here's that.
Who's that?
Guys, this is like the best slime in the history of our sport.
She sounds like me. The best slime in the history of our sport.
Is it too gooey? We might need a little bit more baking
It's
soda.
too fun
It's too fun.
to add more baking soda to it.
Yeah, because if it's still a little bit more sticky, you might need more
And
baking
you can
soda.
have that.
I'm making my own that's blue. So,
You can have that.
Oh yeah, that's
so
not
this
good
is
enough.
all yours.
Yeah! I'm the best person ever.
Can you tell us about the slime while the camera's on?
Okay, so it's very squishy.
Squash!
Stretchy.
Fun.
Really fun. And look, if you go like this and you go like this, look, I'm peeling off my skin.
This is what I like to do with my slimes. I go like that.
Look, I'm peeling off my skin.
Yeah, my friend tricked me with that, saying I'm peeling off my skin. And I really believed her.
Unbelievable.
Alright, so it's a success?
Yes.
Alright, it looks very messy. Can we get it off the fingers easily? Or
Yeah.
is it comes off easy?
It comes off easy.
So is that the end of the video?
Yeah,
Yes.
so please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more slime.
Squirt in your sister's face.
Really?
I just tried to clean myself.
Tried is the answer.